Hi there. In this video, we will cover how customers heard about us. When adding a new customer to TechMan, you can select from the How Customer Heard About Us drop-down menu. This allows you to record how you're acquiring your new customers, whether it's through recommendations or paid marketing. Hover over the Customers tab and select How Customers Heard About Us. Here we can see the existing options available to assign the customers. These can be edited, disabled, or deleted entirely by using the options on the right-hand side. To create new options, click the blue plus button in the top left. From here, all we need to do is give it a name, such as From a Friend, tick Enabled, and then choose the display order number, hit Save to confirm your changes. Next, let's hover over Customers and select All Customers. From here, we can use the filter Heard About Us text to view customers with a specific type of option selected. Lastly, click on Reports and select Customer Reports. Now click on the Customer Procurement Report. When generating this report, we can see each procurement method, how many customers you've acquired through each, how many bookings, estimates, and conversions have been logged, followed by the spend, profit and margin percentage. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help center to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.